watch out for the lines over here.
Strip them for copper. Grab hold of them.
Those are just the steel cables.
Sissy stuff. Well, buddy, either you gotta go or don't just sit there. Make up your mind. Oh, is he dragging a wire?
Yeah.
He is. He's caught in a wire. Yeah, reach out and grab it. There you go. That's that's using your head. I need to grab this wire and get it out of the way. What a tipwad.
This guy's plowing here. He's gonna grab all the wires. And he's gonna pull them down right on top of us.
How you doing? It's not
19 now.
What's that?
You can get all the way through.
That's a wonderful thing.
There'll be a little zigzag.
Yeah. Well, it's no different back that way.
Bet you that guy feels like a badass.
Not as badass as the one that took the wire off with his hand. Grab that way, car. Oh, that looks like just a leader wire.
Yeah, it's just a steel cable. The one that tensions it. Look at this telephone pole up here on its side. Halfway over the road.
We're not going to make it into this. This one's no way. No way.
Yeah, you got it by a lot. You're good. You good?
What about the next one?
Good. Reg. Yeah, you got a lot of room.
A lot of room. An inch and a half as opposed to the quarter inch on the last
Yeah, you had
time.
more than last time.
Wow, I didn't even see this cable right here.
Look at this telephone pole.
Jesus.
Run the gauntlet of wires.
It is very interesting that transformer could fall down on our heads. What the hell are we doing out here anyways?
Being a badass.
This Link would have liked this.
She would've or wouldn't?
Would have. We used to go out in snowstorms all the time. Drive around. Why is there leaves on my window?
Because you're a dog.
It's obstructing my view. Thank God for all the volunteers that come out with their chainsaws and stuff and
Yep.
clear stuff up. I got the bigger truck. I'll let you go by it.
Little Subaru.
Probably all-wheel drive though.
Yeah.
Can't believe Brett was saying that his truck is better than mine. in the
Yeah.
snow. Four-wheel drive trumps all.
Even if you have a racing slicks.
We gotta get that shovel done as soon as we get home.
Yep.
No more delaying. I wanted to clean off this afternoon. I wanted to. I'm glad we didn't run that dog